Welcome back everyone. In this video I am going to show you delete YouTube search history using your phone. So let's get started. First thing first, go to YouTube app and make sure you can use the updated version of the app. After the app is open, look at the bottom right corner, click on the U section in your profile page. Once you are in the menu, tap on the settings gear icon at the top right corner. You can open settings, scroll down slowly. This time you can find manage all history option, click on them and wait to open this page. After this page is open, scroll down slowly. You can find the delete section or delete option of similar name. Tap on it, then choose the time. For example, you can select delete all time. After that, tap on delete button, then tap on got it option. And you have successfully done. To check it work or not, so return to the YouTube home feed, refresh the YouTube app, and this time you have successfully done. You can also open the search bar, and this time no longer any search history there. That's how you can easily done them. Thanks for watching. Goodbye everyone.